trying to make it seem like we're somebody else. Set the perfect frame up, hide behind the makeup, like it's worth the cost of losing yourself. You sit there all alone,